This is going to be the firewood rack for outdoor or indoor. This is a firewood holder and it has the canvas log carrier. It's kind of a heavy-duty, sturdy, waterproof wood storage firewood organizer. Now I'm going to show you how simple this was to put together. It's going to come with the 4 basic sides. You're going to get nuts, screws, and the tools used to tighten them. This is very simple and basic. You're just going to attach each one, push them in firmly. Then on one side you're going to go ahead and push in that little screw and then twist the nut as much as you can with your hand, and then you can go ahead and use the Allen wrench and the little wrench to tighten and make sure that it is secure. Now I'm going to show you how this looks on the indoors. So here it is before you put the canvas tote on it, which is really simple and basic. We're going to go ahead and attach the 2 handles on both sides here, and we're going to set it kind of catty-cornered next to our fireplace. Now this is perfect because this is very sturdy, it's quality made, it's going to be able to hold a lot of firewood, and it just matches the barnuminium. We absolutely love it. We were set this to test out and we recommend.